Hi, it's Richard here from the OPA Hub website. And in this, the first of our series of what's new in the OPA 12 May 2017 release, we're going to focus our attention on forms here from the pane on the left. Oh, interesting that it's just disappeared from the pane on the left, but never mind. Let's see what we have here. We have a bunch of attributes, each of which has been given a public name. And I have also created some simple rules so that I was able to add an explanation to my form in a moment. And I'm going to add a form control to my interview in just a second in order to be able to show you a new functionality in relation to how the end user interacts with the form. So let's go to the Project Forms tab and let's add a new form using this drop down. I will choose PDF. I'm going to rename it. And the initial workflow is very similar. I'm going to select the PDF and click Explanations, and I can associate various explanations with my PDF file, just like I could with a Word RTF. I'll select it again and go and add the interview form straight away, even though it's not ready yet. And notice on the ribbon here we have a download option to specify how the PDF should react in the browser, which is very useful indeed. Now let's return to the Project tab and the Forms area, and let's open it for editing. It specifies here that you can use any PDF form editor, so I'm going to use Foxit rather than use the official Adobe one. And you'll notice that the PDF editor is dominated by a PDF form assistant, which I'll talk about in a minute. Here I am in my PDF template. And of course, depending on the tool you're using, the toolbars might look a bit different, but basically I'm going to add some static text. And after I've added the static text, I'm going to use the PDF form assistant to add some data from OPA into my PDF file. Now, adding the form element, I switch to forms, and I'm going to add a text field. I'm going to make it nice and big because I have a great difficulty doing this when it's small. And the workflow is pretty simple. We're going to replace this text here with text generated by the form assistant. So for the sake of ease of use, I'll just choose one of my attributes, choose whether it's formatted or unformatted, and I'm going to click the copy button, which means I can now paste that into this here and press return. So it now contains a text item with my form element in it. I'm going to save it. I'm going to leave my PDF editor and close the form assistant. And here I am back in OPM. If I now check that everything's ready to run, yep, I'm going to debug my project. I'm going to switch to the Data tab of the debugger because I have some data that I need to enter here. Bear with me for a second. 2 or 3 things that need to be entered, and the most important one, of course, for our demonstration is the shipment date. So I'm going to put a shipment date of 2017, the 17th of May. Okay, and the value of the order. The only thing we're looking out for now is our PDF file. So let's switch to the interview complete screen and generate the PDF form through the link. Open it, and notice that we now have the data coming through from OPM straight into my PDF file. So the delivery mechanism is very simple, similar to that which we would have in our RTF and BI Publisher desktop. So that's it for the first of our new features of the May 2017 release. We'll be back shortly with another one. I'm still perturbed, boy, I've lost some items on the pane, but never mind. That's for another time. See you later.